Fruit and yogurt could be pretty messy, huh? Do you find it's easier to eat with your hands than your spoon? I think Uncle John will like this one. It's nice and messy. Are you looking at yourself on the iPad, waiting for Uncle Davey to call? Do you think that's funny? Daddy can't watch you. It's too messy. That's Josie. That's Josie. Do you want to talk with Cousin Rex? Let me see how much you can get on your spoon. Oh boy, your hand is nice and messy. Do you want Mama to clean your hands? You're going to clean them? Do you want the paper towel for that? What are you going to get with that? Do you think you'll get more? Put it back in the bowl. No, put it back in the bowl. Oh, where's Taz? Taz, we need your help. Zoe, you just dropped a whole raspberry on the floor. Lucky you have Taz to help clean up after you. Josie, why do you want to share your yogurt? You don't know? Are you all done? Or do you want more? Do you want Mama to take it away? No. I think a spoon would be so much easier, Josie. In fact, I know it would be. Okay, don't give it to Taz anymore. It's not good for him. Josie. This is, oh, Josie. Yogurt all over her. Josie, don't rub yogurt into your eyes. Look at your face, you're like a ghost. Do you not like how messy you are right now?
No.
They're very happy because you're giving them yogurt. That's why they're hanging out there. You gonna finish your yogurt? Or do you want Mommy to help? Are you looking at yourself? You're looking at yourself on the iPad? What do you think? You want some help now?
Go.
Yeah, you can't get down right now. You're very messy. We have to clean you up first. Okay. Do you want to say bye-bye? Can you blow a kiss? So even messy, you can both blow a kiss. Do it again. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say, Mommy's got to clean me up now. Mwah. Can you blow